Hello students, in the previous session we did some problems on factorization. Okay, so today the same problems on factorization. Suppose example x square plus 7x plus 12. How to factorize the given quadratic polynomial? Here, first step 1. What is step 1? Write the quotient of x square. What is the quotient of x square? 1. Okay? Quotient of x square is 1. Next, constant. What is constant? 12. Constant is 12. Next, you find the product of the quotient of x square and constant. Product is equal to 1 into 12. So 1 into 12 is 12. Next, you take the middle term. Middle term is equal to 7x. By using the factors of 12, we have to split the middle term, right? Or split the middle term to get factors. Now, write the factors of 12. Write the factors of 12. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. No other factors except these three, right? Now, condition. What is the condition? Either addition or subtraction of two factors, we must get the middle term, right? Either addition or subtraction of two factors. Either addition or subtraction of two factors, we must get the middle term. Now see here, suppose sum of the two factors. 1 into 12 is 12, 1 plus 12 is 14. Sorry, 1 plus 12 is 13. 1 minus 12 minus 11. So we want to, this is not useful. Next one, 2 6 are 12, 2 plus 6, 8. And 2 minus 6 minus 4. So this is also not possible because we won't get 7. Next one, 3 4s are 12 and 3 plus 4 7 and 3 minus 4 minus 1. So this is not work out, only this one. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Now using these two we have to write the factors. Now first one, x square plus 7x plus 12. This is the given problem. Now we have to split the middle term by using the factors. Now how to find the factors for this? X square plus 7x can be written as 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 4s are 12. So both we are getting. Therefore, the 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x plus 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now see here, x into x, 3x plus 4x. See here, x into x square. Next, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Product is 12. Next, 3x plus 4x, 7x. Middle term we are getting. Now, so therefore 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x. Now, from the first two terms, this can be written as x into x plus 3 into x. This is the first part of the splittings. Next, plus second part, 4x can be written as 4 into x plus 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Now, what is the common factor from these two? Here x and here x. So, x is the common factor. You write the remainder. What is the remainder in the first term? X plus 3. Next one. From these two, what is the common factor? Here 4 and here 4. So you take out 4 is the common factor. Then what is the symbol here? Plus. So plus 4 is the common factor and write the remainder. What is the remainder? Here x plus next 3. So x plus 3 and x plus 3. So whatever the factor we are getting in the first half, the same factor we should get in the second part also. Okay. Next, from these two, x plus 3 and x plus 3. From these two you take out one factor. One is the common factor and write the remainder. Here x plus 4. So the factors of x square plus 7x plus 12 are x plus 3 and x plus 4. So these are the two factors of x square plus 7x plus 12. Next question, find the factors of 6x square plus 19x plus 15. Okay. Now, first one. What is the first condition? Write the quotient of x square. What is the quotient of x square here? 6. Quotient of x square. X square is 6. Next constant 15. Constant is 15. Next product of these two. Product of 6 and 15. So that is equal to 6 into 15. 90. Next middle term. Middle term. What is the middle term? 19x. Right? Now, quotient of x square is 6. Constant is 15. Quotient of x square is this one. Next constant. Next middle term. Right? Now, product is 90. Middle term is 19x. Now, we have to find the factors of 90 first. Find the factors of 90 or write the factors of 90. How to write? 1 into 90, 90, 2 into 45, 90, 3 into 30, 90, 4. Does it go? No. Next to 5. 5 ones are 5, 4 remainder, 5 8s are 90. 18 5s are 90. Next 6. 6 into 6 1s are 6. Remainder 3. 6 5s are 90. Next 7 it doesn't go. 8 it doesn't go. 9. 9 into 10. 90. So these are the factors of 90. Now from these factors we have to take any two factors, the sum or difference of any two factors, we must get the middle term. So that is the condition. Now 1 plus 90, 1 plus 90 is 91. 1 minus 90 is minus 89. So it is not needed. Next 2 plus 45, 47. 2 minus 45 minus 43. So this is also not possible. Next 3 plus 30 is 33. 3 minus 30 minus 27. So this is also not possible. 5 plus 18 23. 5 minus 18 minus 13. So no need. 6 plus 15 21. 6 minus 15 minus 9. So this is also not possible. Next 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 is 19. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So here 9 plus 10 is 19. So we can take 9 plus 10. Now actual problem is 6x square plus 19x plus 15. Now we have to split this 19x by using these factors. How to write? 6x square plus 19x can be written as 9x plus 10x. Okay, 9x plus 10x. Now see, 9x plus 10x. X into x, x square. 9 times are 90. The product of 6 and 15 is 90. Next, 9x plus 10x, 19x. Okay. Next one, plus 15. Now, 6x square can be written as, split this one. 6x square can be written as 2 into 3 into x plus 9x can be written as 3 into 3 plus x. So this is the first part of the splitting of the problem. Next, 10x can be written as 2 into 5 into x plus 3 into 5. So this is the second half of the problem. Now, in the first half, what are the common factors? 3 here and 3 here. Next x. So this is the common factor. Now 3x is the common factor. Next, remainder 2 here x. So 2x plus here 3. 2x plus 3. Next, here 5 and here 5. So the 5 is the common factor and symbol is plus. So write 5 plus 5 is the common factor. Then 2x plus 3. So here 2x plus 3 and here 2x plus 3. So the common factor is 2x plus 3 again. So 2x plus 3 is the common factor. Next you write the remainder, that is 3x here plus 5. Now 2x plus 3, 3x plus 5 are the factors of the given problem. Okay, right? Next question, m square minus 8m minus 9. Now first one, coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 m square. Next, constant. What is the constant? Actually it is 9, but symbol minus is there. So you can write minus 9. Next, product. What is the product? 1 into minus 9, that is equal to minus 9. Next, middle term is equal to minus 8m. Now, for which we have to write the factors minus 9 or 9. We write the factors of 9 first. 1 into 9 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So except these two, there is no other factors. Right? Now, either sum or difference of two factors, we must get the middle term. Now see here, 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 minus 9 minus 8. So here we are getting minus 8. Middle term we are getting. So how to split? 1 into m square minus 8m minus 9. This is the quotient. Now we have to split the middle term by using the factors. M into m square can be written as m into m, minus 8m can be written as minus 9 into m plus 1 into m minus 9. Right? Or this can be written as the same problem I can write like this. M into m. You write plus 1 into m first. Plus 1 into m first. Next minus 9 into m minus 9. Because 9 and 9 are the common factors. Here also we can get. Okay. Now in the first half. What is the common factor? Here m and here m. So m is the common factor. Then remainder 1 into m is m plus 1 is the next term. Next minus second half. 9 is the common factor. But what we have to take the symbol as the common factor, either plus or minus. Here we have to take minus is the common factor. Why? Because I will tell you later. Now minus 9 is the common factor. Then write the remainder. Here m and here 1. 9 came out. 1 is the remainder. Now how much is multiplied by minus? We get minus here. Right? How much is multiplied by this minus symbol? We get minus here. That is plus. See now, minus 9 into m, minus 9m, minus into plus, minus 9 ones are 9. Right? Now, m plus 1, m plus 1. So, these are the two common factors. From these two, you take out 1 is the common factor, m plus 1, first factor. Second factor, here m. Next here, minus 9. So, m plus 1 and m minus 9 are the common factors of m square minus 8m minus 9. Thank you.